I thought to myself that I should go ahead and take some classes just to learn. But as I started the program, I liked it so much. So I went ahead and made it my major.
I fell in love with just the language because it's a different way of expressing yourself, a different way of communicating with someone else.
The college provides a lot of activities that include the students and the deaf community. It was a bit overwhelming at first because when you meet somebody as a student, you start off very basic. They're very happy that you're learning their language. You're willing to communicate with them. An individual has to take care of their hands, so you have to stretch, do your exercises, and just be careful.
And that's what's so great about this program. You meet different cultures, different perspectives, and it's just amazing. My name is Claudia.
My name is Nasira.